In the last video, we built your SMS audience with compliant opt-in forms and lists. Now it's time to build your first SMS broadcast campaign. We'll walk you through the campaign builder using active intelligence to generate your message and cover best practices for SMS content. There are a couple ways to create SMS broadcasts in ActiveCampaign. You can create SMS from the Active Intelligence workspace by simply describing your campaign goal, or directly from a business goal to track your SMS as part of broader objectives. In this video, we're going to go directly into the campaign builder, but keep in mind you have the flexibility in how you want to start. Before we build a campaign, let's quickly cover when you would use an SMS broadcast. SMS broadcasts are perfect for promotional messages like flash sales and limited time offers, seasonal and holiday campaigns, new product services or announcements, event reminders, and appointment confirmations. The key is that SMS is immediate and personal. Use it for time-sensitive messages where you need your contact's attention right away. Now, here are some essentials for writing effective SMS messages. Keep it to 160 characters for SMS. If you add an image, it becomes an MMS and you can get up to 1600 characters. Lead with the most important information. Put your offer, deadline, and key benefit first. Write conversationally. Skip the corporate speak and text like you're messaging a friend. Include a clear call to action. Tell them exactly what to do next, whether it's shop now, reply yes, or book your spot. Use link shortening and tracking. ActiveCampaign automatically shortens URLs so you stay within your character limit and tracks clicks. And use emojis strategically. One well-placed emoji can grab attention, but don't overdo it. Alright, let's build our SMS broadcasts. In the main navigation, click SMS. Now here's where Active Intelligence comes in. Describe what you want to send. I'm gonna type, create a brief SMS message announcing our weekend sale. Select the tone, then click Generate with AI. Active Intelligence generates the message. It keeps it concise and added a clear call to action and left a link placeholder. If you want to refine it, you can click Make Changes to adjust the prompt or edit directly in the content field. Now let's add a message name for your reference. This is internal only. Add an SMS sender name like your business name. This helps with deliverability and lets contacts know who's texting them. As I mentioned, one special feature here is that you can attach an image which turns your SMS into an MMS. You can select an existing image, upload a new one, or even generate an image with AI. This can also easily be removed. Notice the checkbox for automatically shorten and track links. This is important. It keeps your message within the character limit and lets you track who clicked. Make sure this is checked. Now we need to configure who receives this and when. Choose your SMS list. Remember, only contacts subscribed to this list can receive the message. Active Intelligence may also suggest segments based on engagement, or you can send to the entire list. Now choose when to send. You can send immediately by clicking Send Now at the top, or schedule it for a specific date and time. One important note, ActiveCampaign automatically respects quiet hours to comply with TCPA regulations. This prevents messages from being sent between the hours of 9 p.m. and 8 a.m. I'm going to schedule this one for Thursday morning at 10 a.m., right when the sale starts. Click Schedule to confirm. Your SMS broadcast is now scheduled and ready to be sent. And that's it. You know how to create and send your first SMS broadcast campaign using Active Intelligence and the Campaign Builder. Remember these key points. Keep messages concise and action-oriented. Quickly generate compelling content with Active Intelligence. Leverage link shortening and tracking. And always send to opt-in subscribers only. Coming up next, we're covering SMS automations and two-way conversations. You'll learn how to trigger SMS based on customer behavior and have real conversations with your contacts through the SMS inbox. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.